like to extend a really super warm Vaadin welcome to the 2024 version of Vaadin Create. How many of you were here last year? Look at that. Vaadiners, you don't count. Put your hands down back there. Well, welcome back. We're really pleased that you're here. For those of you that I have not yet met, my name is Stephen Grandchamp. I have the pleasure and the honor to serve as Vaadin's CEO. And we have a pretty exciting and packed next couple of days for everybody. Did I lose the microphone? No. It's a very special time here at Vaadin, and I think you'll get a glimpse of that here over the next couple of hours, couple of days. We're pretty pleased to be back in Frankfurt. We were here last year. The city's been a great host for us. If anybody came in early this year, you were greeted by 15,000 of your closest marathon runners. Got a little crazy around here on Sunday. Anybody happen to? No hands up? Nobody ran the marathon on Sunday? Oh, well, I didn't either, so don't feel bad. Well, our event's not really 15,000. We haven't grown that big, but we have grown. We've grown quite a bit from last year, actually, and I'm pretty excited to welcome everybody today. I want to share a few numbers with you to get going just on the event itself. There's 150 plus of us here today. We capped registration at 130. Funny how that works. But there was just continued interest, and it's just so hard to say no to somebody when they want to attend and arrive at what should be a pretty fun event the next couple of days. You have 27 presentations coming your way over the next couple of days, and I promise you, they will not all be death by PowerPoint like this presentation. There will be some real actual live coding happening. And there's 15 different speakers. So you should have quite a variety of presentations, content to choose from. There's 22 countries represented in the room here today. I think that's a pretty amazing statement. Germany would make sense to leading the pack. But look, don't call me a homer, but hooray for the US. We got double digits with 13 people, even Switzerland with 10. So a pretty broad representation. And in there, we have 65 different cities from around the globe. So lots of different people arriving. Thank you again for the time invested in this event. And you represent a number of industries which were not really a big surprise to me, but software and IT services continue to kind of lead the way. And then a lot of industries that are typical and traditional pretty much in the Java landscape. And 81 different companies. So we put some of these up here because some of these companies have sent multiple people, and that just represents an amazing commitment to Vaadin, and we very much appreciate everybody's participation in those 81 companies. Thank you all very much for your continued support. So I mentioned 27 presentations. I'm not going to go through all of them, but here's a little bit of the breakdown, the agenda. Today, it's all in this room. And you can see a presentation titled Hacking. Probably doesn't start out with PowerPoint slides, so hopefully that will be a positive session for you. While Jonas and Marcus were talking with Josh about his presentation, I know the desire was to jump into live coding right away, and so we're trying to achieve the right balance there. Tomorrow, we're going to split into 2 tracks, so you'll have an option to kind of pick your poison, if you will, based on your interest level.
Thank you.
And in the afternoon, we're going to have a panel of customers talking through their experiences, their challenges, their learnings, sort of what did they gain by working with Vaadin. And it's a big thank you to those panelists from AKDB, from Sweep, from CBA, from Alibis, and from XDev. So that should be a pretty interesting and fun session. This gives you a quick way to put a face to the name of some of those presentations. A big shout out, Josh, where are you in the back from Spring? Welcome, we're so happy to have you here as part of our keynote this morning. And no pressure, Josh, but on your recent podcast with Marcus, I told you yesterday I would probably steal this line from you, but one phrase that you uttered in the podcast, I just has stuck with me. I just can't let it go. And Josh is like, Vaadin, I'm drunk with power on Vaadin. So I'm looking forward to seeing how that actually plays out here. So As I spoke with many of you over the past few months, I wanted to get a deeper understanding of some market trends. And what we're going to talk about today is sort of, you're going to hear a lot of what Vaadin thinks, right? Where do we think the market's going? Where's the product going? What are the trends that we're following? But I wanted to sort of flip that before we got together and ask a number of you, where do you think the market is going? What do you see happening out in the market? And I wanted to share a little bit of that with you before we jump into the presentation. So I conducted a number of one-on-one discussions. I had 4 simple questions. I've only got 3 of them up here. But basically, I was after, where do you see your company on the AI hype train? Are you on it? Is it nothing but hype? What do you think about AI? What's your perspective on Java and its future? How do you view it? Is it strategic in your organization? And how do you think of this concept of full stack? We certainly have our opinion on that. And so the net of some of the conversations, I didn't put all the answers up here, but the net to me was pretty straightforward. AI remains pretty early. Some people find it more helpful, some people find it hopeful, some people find it, we just simply don't trust it. Kind of the trends that I heard in talking to customers were the more experience that the developers have, the more skeptical you were, which maybe doesn't surprise me that much. And the reason I bring this up and I wanted to get your perspective is that if you haven't yet tried out Vaadin's new Copilot and AI is on your radar, I think you'll see a very interesting piece of that presentation today in Mark England's session coming up here at 10:30. And so we'll see how our sort of vision of how that relates to where you think the market is going. From a Java perspective, it's always an interesting question. Maybe it's a little, I don't know, loaded or self-serving question with a company that's made their living serving Java developers for over 20 years. But where do companies see Java going in the future? And it's not a huge surprise that there's a massive commitment to Java in the marketplace, but there's also sort of this underlying tone coming through that React is sort of weaving its way into various projects, maybe various teams. There's sort of more of a blend of technology coming into the larger companies. You know, the bigger you are, the more varied you are, sort of this we have some of everything kind of applies. But Java remains firmly in focus, whether you're starting a new development effort or need to modernize some of those apps. And this might be the most controversial topic. Last year, if you were here, I think we made the case, and hint, hint, we'll probably make it again this year. Full stack, we believe, is the way to go. Many of you really support this view, which I suppose is normal, or you wouldn't have been probably big Vaadin fans. But the basic message was our project team and structures, front end, back end, is not necessarily just technology driven. It's basically project driven. And so let's put together, you know, the right team, the right resources based on the project. So a lot of the underlying answers I got were, yes, full stack is the way to go if you have the right resources and the project is sort of a decent fit for you. So as we go through the remainder of the day, I want to maybe pull back to a remark I made earlier. It's a pretty exciting time for Vaadin. We have spent a lot of energy, time, and resource this year delivering on the promises and the things that we talked about last year in terms of adding to the platform. And I don't want to steal thunder from some of the rest of the presentations, but there's a couple of hints in here I think that you should just sort of pay close attention to. This AI-powered code-first UI editor is a bit of a mouthful, and I think when you see the presentation from Mark on Vaadin Copilot, I think that will come together. The code first was a really significant piece of how we view the added benefit you could get from AI in certain cases where it makes sense to you. Building out a number of full stack components, things like adding React support, the ability to introduce a new concept, I think, to Vaadin applications. I have been here just over 3 years. I think the first in-person customer meeting I had was here in Germany with a customer whose name I will just remain private. But one of the first questions they asked me was, how do I know when we deploy the Vaadin app, if it's healthy and what resources it's using and how it's performing and how it's behaving. And I'm pretty pleased to be able to roll out the control center today. You'll see that in Hear It, See About It. And really, it's a whole step in terms of how you deploy an app, how you monitor the app, how you can sort of manage the Vaadin app. So keep an eye out for sessions on Copilot, on Control Center, on a new feature called the Modernization Toolkit, which is to basically remove a lot of the labor costs when you need to modernize a legacy app. I'll close then with a little bit of that teaser to get you interested in some of the sessions. I have a few logistical tidbits for today and tomorrow. Lunch is going to be right next door in Platinum 2. The restrooms, if you need them at breaks, are immediately down the hall to the right as you exit this room. At the end of the day today, we're going to have a community corner. If you saw it, you can sign up right where you registered and got your badge. And you can show off your latest Vaadin projects. And finally, at the end of the day, tomorrow, we're going to have some fun little giveaways. If you haven't seen these right here, there's some really fun, you might not be able to see those from up here, so I do have a few pictures for him. We have 3 pretty amazing, this is my favorite Lego, the globe. Unfortunately, I'm not eligible, so if you win this, I might come and say hello to you afterwards. So stick around for closing session tomorrow. We're going to give away the globe. We're going to give away, for those of you who don't know what this is, it's a typewriter.
It'll be up in
Yes.
20.
And a little bit of the Back to the Future. So
50.
hopefully it's a little
60,
incentive.
maybe.
Tomorrow afternoon
We'll see
session should
which
be a lot of fun. And we'll see you there for the giveaway. So let's give yourself a round of applause and join me in welcoming our founder and chief product officer, Jonas. Come on up to the stage and just take it away. Thank you all again for coming. Give us just a minute and Jonas will be ready to roll.
All right, thank you.